The Dow Jones Industrial Average advanced 140 points to 26,392. NASDAQ fell nearly 4, though, but the S&P 500 rose by about 2. Once again, the dollar came into play, adding some volatility to the trading day. Now, yesterday, we told you about the dollar's impact on the stock market after the U.S. Treasury Secretary said a weak dollar benefits U.S. trade. Today, other officials chimed in, including President Trump. Here's Steve Liesman.
It was a wild ride for the dollar today, sent falling and then flying by comments first from a European official and then from the President of the United States. European Central Bank President Mario Draghi got the dollar off on the first leg of its round-trip journey with comments indicating he didn't care much that the euro had recently strengthened against the greenback.
We don't target exchange rates, and we say exchange rates are important for growth and for price stability. Now, in certain movements in the exchange rates to the extent that are justified by the strengthening of the economy are part of nature.
The euro surged from 124 to 125 against the dollar, a level not seen since 2014. The way traders saw it, Draghi didn't much mind the strength and didn't sound like he was going to do anything about it. But someone did mind. His name was President Donald Trump. Speaking to CNBC exclusively in Davos, Trump came down firmly on the side of a strong dollar.
The dollar is going to get stronger and stronger. And ultimately, I want to see a strong dollar.
The effect was immediate and dramatic. Within an hour, the dollar regained all it had lost on the day and then some. Underpinning the dramatic action, these are nervous times for currency traders and the global economy. Treasury Secretary Steve Mnuchin stepped somewhat out of protocol and said a weaker dollar could help U.S. trade, which is true and not unprecedented, just not very often said by a Treasury official. Trump, meanwhile, has controversial ideas about free trade, more bilateral, less multilateral, willing to rip up trade deals if he doesn't get what he wants. But the president also told CNBC he doesn't like talking about the dollar and that, quote, nobody should be talking about it. So perhaps he's pushing his administration to walk the old line, where, for official purposes at least, the only good dollar is a strong dollar. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Steve Liesman.